Secret Ingredients Forest.
Oh, what's that smell?
Must be!
Sorry. I think I ate some bad bread.
Must be.
Are you okay?
Shouldn't you go to the hospital?
I'm okay.
Hey, everyone, look at this. The secret forest has a herb that helps digestion. Let's go and get some.
Huh? The secret forest?
What? We can't go there!
Huh? Why not?
There's a hungry school legend. The secret forest has a monster!
A monster? What? There's a real monster in the forest?
Maybe.
Then let's go check it out! We can find herbs for Must Be.
Thanks, guys.
Let's go to the secret forest.
My plan worked.
Let's go to the secret forest.
Maybe there is a real monster.
That must be a made-up story.
Hey, there's something over there.
Huh? Sauces, welcome!
Wow, it says we're welcome.
Wow!
Let's go in.
Wait for me!
Hey, monster, where are you?
You completely forgot about the herbs, right?
The sun is setting.
How about searching by smell?
Jump.
I want to go home. It's a leaf. That's scary.
Are you sure this forest has herbs? It's already down.
I hope we can find the monster. Huh? Guys! Huh? Huh? Where is everyone? Wow! Cha-cha! Yo, nurses!
This is only the beginning. You'll see what's really scary now.
Pee-pee! Deke! Whoa! Oh, it's a road! Phew, that scared me so much. Guys! Where are you? Huh? Ka-cha! Ouch! Huh? What is that? Venus flytrap? Why is the flytrap so big? What should I do? What should I do? Right! That might. Good! Let's try it!
Huh? What is this? What happened?
Cha-cha!
Spicy!
You let Cha-cha go! Take that! Cha-cha!
What? Let's run away now.
Save me too!
I know that voice!
Stupid Ketchuby. This is the end for you. Huh? What is that?
Ka-cha!
Ketchupy?
It worked! I'm so awesome! Ha!
No! no! That arrogant! Ha! How about this?
Eek! Pee-pee! Cha-cha!
Ta-da!
Whoa! Huh? It's shining!
Wow!
It's an herb recipe card!
Ugh, I'll make you pay next time. I will not fail.
Must be!
I brought some herbs!
You're back?
Must be you!
You weren't sick.
We're happy you're okay.
Thanks, guys.